Hi, this is Patty Ridings and you're watching Southland TV. Today we have a special subject is parenting coordinators. You know, parenting is just a very difficult job now in this area, and we do not know how to be the best parents possible. And sometimes we need extra help. To explain us a little bit more about this subject is our friend Whitney McDaniels, LCPC. She is the certified mediator and a parenting coordinator, works for Associate in Professional Counseling. Welcome, Whitney.
Thank you.
You know, a lot of people do not understand this term, and it's a brand new way of addressing issues that parenting are facing. So tell me, what is parenting coordinators?
So a parenting coordinator is to assist, high conflict couples in parenting, right? And it assists them in mediating, in monitoring court orders, and helping scheduling children's activities, appointments, switching of some parenting days or vacation schedules. So it's really helping them do their day-to-day parenting things.
And I think it's helping navigate
those
very stressful situations when you are in the middle of court, when you are in the middle of something that is other issues that you said, you know what, I need help. And it's not just me wanting to do my best, but you need intervention for that.
Yes.
So you need a professional person that can help you. Now, it is, what is necessary to have a parenting coordinator? Why do you think it's necessary?
So usually a parenting coordinator is appointed by the courts.
Okay.
And most of the times, the goal is to keep these parties out of the court, right?
Yes.
So they're in the court so much, right, on usually minor things, right? So for an example, trying to figure out vacation schedules, right? Or trying to figure out doctor's appointments.
Yes.
And so, the court is tired of seeing them, and
not resolving it,
right? And it's not really a court matter, right? It's a parenting matter,
right? Wow, absolutely.
And so to hire a specially trained individual that is trained in mediation and parenting matters, that also knows the law, right, to some extent, to help these parties communicate to their attorneys and to the courts when needed, but to ultimately try to keep them out of the court system.
Yeah. I think that I like this idea because there might be parents out there or family members who are listening to our program today, and they are not seeing the results, but they're seeing the effect of not dealing and addressing these issues.
Right.
One is costing the parents tons amount of money, more money, because things are not being resolved.
Yes.
So right there is one issue that can be helpful if you had a parenting coordinator.
Correct.
The next one is, how is that affecting my children? Because we're struggling to this whole thing, and we're bringing these kids into the conflict of it. So a parent coordinator will see these signs, and we address the issue and bring help and intervention with those children, and help that parent be a better parent through this, because they're going through hell right now. And how can you give them boundaries, instructions, so the results that they're looking for are going to be there? Am I correct?
Yes. And it's usually an immediate effect, right? Unlike the court, right, when motions are filed and, it takes 3 months, and then you go to court and it's just set for a status hearing and it's pushed off a couple of other months.
Yes.
Right? So usually the court order is written, right, to give that parenting coordinator some sort of power, right, to put in effect, right, that person is able to make those decisions based on, parenting appointments and, changes as far as vacation days and stuff like that, because there is so much frustration from the parents, right, because they've been, drug out and stuff like that.
Yeah, and I think that that's another solution that your office can offer parents out there who really are fed up. It's like, okay, I'm done. What can I do to make this shorter experience for us, for our children, for our family, and out of the courts? Now, do you need a court appointment order to do this, or can the parent just reach out to you guys and get you signed up? How does that work?
So, I mean, the answer is both.
Okay.
Right? But most of the time, at least in our state, right, it's mainly court order.
Yes.
Right? But, two parties, if they agree, right, that they need assistance, they can come to an agreement and hire a parenting coordinator. But most of the time it's through, a court order or their attorneys agreeing on appointment or something like that.
So if you're a parent and the court is telling you need help, you should be grateful, because the results are going to be phenomenal. You're going to be able to resolve all these issues, like even like scheduling. I can just imagine the torture that they go through trying just to get vacation schedules settled, and you're able to help them communicate that properly, get it done, resolved, and make everything happen in an accurate amount of time. So that's a really valuable, and I hope this information to our viewers can help them. What is the first thing that you would like a parent to do that is in this situation right now when they reach out to your office? What is your first recommendation?
So I think it's really about educating themselves on what a parenting coordinator does, right? Because it is pretty new to our state. Okay. Right? If they have an attorney, ask them, is my case a good case that might benefit from this?
Definitely.
Because I think, once again, this is new to a lot of attorneys also, right? If they haven't worked in a county that, has appointed parenting coordinators.
That's great. And for the courts, for themselves, can make a lot less stressful dealing with the issues. They're already emotional, very high emotional, high conflict situations that the answers can be really simple if they have a parenting coordinator working with them, bring them to the point of resolution right away.
Yes.
So thank you so much, Whitney. And I know that as we go through this process, please contact their office. Again, give us your phone number. How can they reach you?
Sure. My direct number is 708-448-0884, extension 25.
Appreciate it. Again, thank you so much, and I look forward to another topic and have you again helping our parents. We as parents need all the help we can get.
Absolutely. It's a hard job.
Yeah, and we always need to improve. So thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thanks for having me.
My pleasure.